Hey guys, it's Flamo here, and in just a second I'll show you the best Uber Eats promo codes that you can use. I'll show some of that are over $50 in discounts, and these should work for all users. Doesn't matter if you're an existing or a new user, but make sure you watch the full video. I'll show you a coupon code that got me over $150 discount. And let me just show you before we start. But if I go into my wallet, you can see I have 150 to use to pay for the order, for the takeout, for the delivery. So just watch the full video and let's get into it. So I noticed the intro got a little bit long, but here's how you get that 150 promo code for Uber Eats, and this is how you have to do it. The first step is you'll have to delete your Uber Eats app. That is because that promo code only works the first time you open the app. So if you have an Uber Eats like me, an existing user, just delete the Uber Eats and that will work for you 100%. Now, we'll have to download Uber Eats, but not from App Store or Google Play because that will not come with the coupon code we are looking for. But don't worry, I'll show you how to get that coupon code. And this is how you do it. If you have an iPhone, there's one step for you. So go into home screen, make sure that this right here, show an app library, is on green. So if you find it turned off, just turn it back on. It's usually on by default, show an app library, and you'll be good to go. So now for Android and iPad, you don't have to do that step, but now we'll be downloading Uber Eats from our browser. So just open whatever browser you use, Google Chrome, Safari, and go to this website right here. It's app library like this. And when the site fully loads, we are just going to use the search box and type Uber, there it is, Uber Eats with $150 coupon. Click it down, Uber Eats with the coupon for future orders. So now all we have to do, just click on it. Once you find it, click download again and give it a few seconds. It will check if your device is compatible with this app. And it should be, as far as I know, Uber Eats can be downloaded on any device. So just give it a few seconds here. And believe it or not, we almost finished. Now there will be a final step which should take you like 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll do it with you. So in the final step, we have to complete device verification by completing 3 free offers from the list below. After that, the Uber Eats with 150 coupon will start downloading automatically. So now I have to complete 3 apps from this list. So without further ado, I'll just start with this one. Evertail, it says that I have to download and open the app for 30 seconds. And you might see different apps, different offers, but don't worry, as long as you read the offer instructions, you'll have no problem getting the promo code, I promise you. And as you can see, I have to download from an app store a game. And let's see, hopefully it downloads quick. I just have to open the game for 30 seconds, pretty easy. And I believe these are like ads or promotional apps, but that's to be expected when you're going to get a coupon code for 150. It's normal. Other apps might want to get in on it, and advertisers, all that stuff, you know. But don't worry, this will take us like 2 to 3 minutes. I'll do it with you. So right now, I'm just in the game. I downloaded the game. I have to open it for 30 seconds, and as soon as that time comes in a moment, I'll close the game and I'll go back to my browser. And okay, so that's 30 seconds. Now I'll go and complete my second and third app. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so a few minutes later, I'm done with the apps. As you can see, I had to complete a few. Anyways, after you complete free offers, it's important that you go back to the browser because that is what will start the download process for the Uber Eats app. And if the download process doesn't start automatically, don't worry, just click the refresh button and that will fix it 100%. Now, if I go to my home screen, you can see I have a few apps I had to complete. I also now have Uber Eats apps. I'll just open it up. Skip this. Nope. let's see where we at. Okay, I'll go into notifications, promotions. So you can see I have your available promo says 150 off. Now let me go into my account, into wallet. As you can see, I have 150 to spend just from one promo code for Uber Eats. That comes pre-applied if you get the app from a promotional site. And guys, you can use this amount you can use this amount to pay for your next order, cover the delivery and the service fee. So it's pretty easy, guys. Hopefully you found this free food for Uber Eats video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.